Tom said Mary can't do that. Tom said Mary can't do that. Tom should let Mary do that. Tom should let Mary do that. You usually do that for Tom. You usually do that for Tom. You do that faster than Tom. You do that faster than Tom. Let's permit Tom to do that. Let's permit Tom to do that. Is Tom permitted to do that? Is Tom permitted to do that? I've never seen Tom do that. I've never seen Tom do that. I'd expected Tom to do that. I'd expected Tom to do that. I won't do that without Tom. I won't do that without Tom. I thought Tom would do that. I thought Tom would do that. I think Tom doesn't do that. I think Tom doesn't do that. I saw Tom do that yesterday. I saw Tom do that yesterday. I figured Tom could do that. I figured Tom could do that. I assumed Tom would do that. I assumed Tom would do that. Don't permit Tom to do that. Don't permit Tom to do that. Don't expect Tom to do that. Don't expect Tom to do that. Tom won't do that this week. Tom won't do that this week. Tom was planning to do that. Tom was planning to do that. Tom was hesitant to do that. Tom was hesitant to do that. Tom wanted to do that again. Tom wanted to do that again. Tom thinks he could do that. Tom thinks he could do that. Tom swears he won't do that. Tom swears he won't do that. Tom still wanted to do that. Tom still wanted to do that. Tom says that he'll do that. Tom says that he'll do that. Tom says he'd never do that. Tom says he'd never do that. Tom says he doesn't do that. Tom says he doesn't do that. Tom said he'll do that soon. Tom said he'll do that soon. Tom said he'd do that later. Tom said he'd do that later. Tom really wants to do that. Tom really wants to do that. Tom really tried to do that. Tom really tried to do that. Tom really needs to do that. Tom really needs to do that. Tom isn't afraid to do that. Tom isn't afraid to do that. Tom is permitted to do that. Tom is permitted to do that. Tom is motivated to do that. Tom is motivated to do that. Tom is impatient to do that. Tom is impatient to do that. Tom is desperate to do that. Tom is desperate to do that. Tom has to do that tomorrow. Tom has to do that tomorrow. Tom expects to do that soon. Tom expects to do that soon. Tom doesn't wish to do that. Tom doesn't wish to do that. Tom didn't agree to do that. Tom didn't agree to do that. Tom could very well do that. Tom could very well do that. Tom can't do that every day. Tom can't do that every day. Tom can do that really well. Tom can do that really well. Tom can do that pretty well. Tom can do that pretty well. Tom believes we can do that. Tom believes we can do that. Tom believes he can do that. Tom believes he can do that. Tom always seems to do that. Tom always seems to do that. Tom won't help Mary do that. Tom won't help Mary do that. Tom says Mary can't do that. Tom says Mary can't do that. Tom said Mary would do that. Tom said Mary would do that.